In this demonstration, I am going to turn this LED into a smart LED by operating this LED through my mobile. For that, I need a Bluetooth module, that is HC05, to pass the instruction from the mobile to the LED through Arduino, right? So to start with, I'm going to give power to this, and to give power to this Arduino, I can use my battery. Positive of the battery should be put up in V-in pin of the Arduino and negative should be put in ground. But my battery is dead, so I have to take another alternate, that is plugging the connector to the Arduino at the back and the other end to my laptop, to the USB port of my laptop. Just see, the light starts blinking. That means the power supply is started in Arduino. So as of now, I'm going to remove it from the laptop. After the connection, I'll again plug in. So initially, what I have to do, I'm going to connect my Bluetooth module, that is my HC05, to the Arduino. There are basically 4 connections of the HC05. First one is RxD, and RxD should be put into TXT of the Arduino, right? And TXT of the HC05 should be put in RX of the Arduino, that is pin number 0. These 2 connections are fixed, that you cannot change. TX should be in RX, that means transmit should be in receive, and receive should be in transmit, right? Other 2 is VCC and ground. The third pin is ground. I have to put it into ground pin in Arduino. Arduino has 3 possibilities of ground pin. So any of the possibility could be used. Now the VCC pin of the your HC05 has to be put into 3.3 volt pin of the, sorry, I have put it in the reset. You have to, it should be put it into 3.3 volt of Arduino, because for working this module it requires 3.3 volt. To just check whether this Bluetooth module is working or it's in order, I'm going to power so the light of the Bluetooth module is blinking, that means it is working. So now I have to do the rest of the connections, and the rest of the connections are like, now to digitally control this LED, I need this circuit, and that is your relay. Firstly, I am going to demonstrate what are the connections of relay and Arduino. The ground pin of the relay, is to be put it into ground pin of Arduino, right? Then VCC, that is the first pin, VCC of this relay is to be put into 5 volts input of the Arduino. And the third one is, because it's a combination of 4 relays, the 4 possibilities of inputs are there. I have used your relay number 4, so IN number 4 is to be put up in pin number 8. My relay is on. IN4 is on Now it is clear from the lights that my connections are correct, right? Why pin number 8? Because in coding I have used this pin number 8 as an input to the relay. I have programmed pin number 8 for the relay. Now 2 more connections are there to be done. One wire of the LED is to be connected with relay, and the second wire of the LED is to be connected with mains of the power supply, and second connection of the relay is to be connected with the power supply. So my circuit is like that one end of the LED is going into relay and second end is redirected to the power. Now if I just check whether it is working or not, I have made this app, and this app is no as such coding is required. One software is available on MIT App Inverter in the site of MIT. From there you can just drag and drop the objects and make this app within few minutes, right? So to check out whether our device is working or not, first I have to connect my module with the Bluetooth. For that I need to switch on my Bluetooth. I have already paired my HC05 module with my mobile. When you are going to use it first time, then you have to give a passkey for the Bluetooth networking. It's either it could be 00000 4 times 0, or it could be 1 2 3 4. Only 2 possibilities are there. I'm going to connect with HC05. Now I'm going to open my app. Initially it is not connected. I am going to, it is listing HC05. Now it is marking as connected. Now my mobile, this app is connected with this Bluetooth. Now just check out. I have 2 buttons on the app. One is on, another one is off. If I just press on, the light is switched on. When I press off, the light is switched off. So I am working my normal LED. I am, you can say I am running, or I am operating my LED through my mobile app. So this is basically the procedure how you can make any device a smart device. I hope this will give you a better insight into the project, and so many projects are possible with this Arduino Uno. You can experiment it with many of the sensors and many of the objects. So enjoy your working with this Arduino. It's really interesting. Thank you.